Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing clean data. Convert ranges into a table so formulas adapt as rows change. Once done, choose exact or approximate matching because that controls returned results. Exact avoids partial matches. Now enter a simple lookup, XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array, or VLOOKUP, lookup value, table, call index false. Make sure columns are consistent, and use named ranges or table references to prevent breakage as you expand the sheet. You now move deeper. Use XLOOKUP match modes to handle sorted or nearest matches and set search mode for first or last occurrence. Once comfortable, combine index and match to look up leftwards or to improve speed on big tables. Match finds position, index returns the value. Also use wildcards in match for partial matches or use search when you need substring detection. Make sure to normalize case with lower if case insensitivity matters, because Excel match functions are case insensitive by default. You finish by combining lookup logic with error handling and validation. Wrap XLOOKUP or index/match and IFER to provide defaults or user-friendly notices when nothing is found. Next, in Excel 365, use filter or dynamic arrays to return multiple matches, and lock references with $ when copying formulas. Finally, validate lookup input cells to prevent bad queries. Troubleshooting tip: if results are wrong, verify exact match flags, remove stray spaces with trim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.